Ever written a unit test so tangled you couldn't tell what it was actually checking? The Arrange-Act-Assert pattern, often called AAA, gives every unit test a clean three-phase structure. In the first phase, you arrange, setting up your test data. In the second, you act, calling the behavior you're testing. And in the third, you assert, verifying the result. This simple structure alone transforms hard-to-follow test code into something anyone can read. In the arrange phase, you set up everything the test needs before anything actually runs. That means creating objects, initializing state, configuring dependencies, and preparing your input data. Think of it as building the stage before the performance begins. The act phase is where you call the specific method or trigger the exact behavior under test. This section should be tight, ideally a single line. One action, one clear focus. The assert phase is where you verify the outcome. Did the method return the right value? Is the object in the expected state? In C#, you'll use assert methods from NUnit, mstest, or xUnit. Because every test follows this three-part structure, your whole test suite stays consistent and easy for any developer to maintain. Arrange-Act-Assert gives unit tests a clear three-part structure: set up, act, verify. Use it in every C# test you write. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.